Why do 75% of vegans crave a refreshing tropical drink? Let's find out with this vegan coconut mojito recipe. Grab 1/4 cup of fresh mint leaves, a tablespoon of agave or maple syrup, and half a lime cut into wedges. In a glass, add the mint, lime wedges, and syrup. Use a muddler or the back of a spoon to gently crush them, releasing all that yummy flavor. Next, pour in 1/4 cup of coconut water for a light version, or coconut milk if you want it creamier. Give it a good stir. Now fill the glass with ice cubes and top it off with 1/4 cup of soda or sparkling water. Stir gently. For the finishing touch, add a sprig of fresh mint and a wedge of lime. And voila! You've got yourself a light, refreshing, vegan-friendly coconut mojito. Cheers to tropical vibes and cruelty-free sips. Optional variations. Try adding berries or swapping coconut water for coconut milk. Enjoy your drink, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious vegan recipes.